Hi, I'm Dean Wilson, the 2014 President of the American Welding Society. I am absolutely delighted to be here at the Midwest Welding Competition. Workforce development is a major focus of the American Welding Society. By the year 2020, we anticipate there will be 200,000 welding professional career opportunities available. And certainly developing our youth and training our youth to be welders and welding professionals is a major objective of the American Welding Society, and we're very pleased to see that the Indiana section is doing such a wonderful job here. I want to congratulate and salute the students who are here and wish them much success. I also want to salute and congratulate the instructors for the work that they're doing here. And most importantly, I want to thank and congratulate the Indiana section for a job well done.
I'm Zach Baker. I'm from Columbus, Indiana. This is my first time coming to the competition. I did flux core welding. I think I did pretty good. It's kind of difficult to read the blueprint since I'm a first-year student, but I think I did all right. Managed my time wisely, tried to get everything done as quickly as I could, and got it done.
Hello, my name's Sean Bannon. I'm from the Whitewater Technical Career Center in Connersville, Indiana. I'm here at the AWS Mid-West competition. I'm doing TIG aluminum, and they seem to have pretty good welders that actually help you weld and help you get into the groove of what you're doing. I'm kind of nervous because this is my first year doing this, but I've been to state skills here at Everett Light, and it seems to be a pretty good facility. And I like welding, and all the instructors are very nice and tell you where to go and help you out with your stuff. And nobody lets you get lost. And I've had a pretty good experience here for my first time, and I'll definitely come back when I'm in college.
My name is Nathan Fulano. I'm representing Kinky Valley High School, and I just got done with the GMAW contest, and I feel pretty confident about it.
Hey, my name's Brady Wilson. I'm from Bedford, Indiana. This is our first time that we've ever come here, and pretty neat experience to do. And we actually went to state a couple weeks ago and came to this, and then we got state after this. Just hope we do good. I did aluminum. I felt like I did pretty good. Contaminated it once, and then, I don't know, not so good after that.
Hi, I'm Eric Cooper. I'm the welding instructor here at Everett Light Career Center. I'm also the host of the AWS Indiana Section Midwest Welding Contest. I have been a teacher here for 9 years. I've also been a participant in the contest for the past 9 years. I currently hold the position of treasurer for the American Welding Society Indiana section. This is a great opportunity to come here and let kids compete in a skill that they have learned and see how well they do against their peers.
Yes, my name's John Curick. I work for the Indiana State Pipe Trades Association. I work with all of the local unions in the plumbing, pipe fitting, steam fitting industry within the state of Indiana. I'm out here at the AWS Indiana Section Midwest Welding Competition. held at the Everett Light Center. We find many of these contestants make excellent candidates for our apprenticeship programs, and we're happy to be here. This welding contest is an excellent program, and right now we are actively recruiting welders, and this is a great place to do that. I'm just happy to be here.
Hi, I'm Steve Carey. I'm here with Jim Saylor with the Dilling Group here, and we've been invited by Everett Light Career Center and the 36th annual Midwestern welding competition to come down here and meet with the students and view their welding competition, and then talk with them about future opportunities with our organization. We're a mechanical contracting business that curtails to the industrial clientele out there, so we look for these young students to be able to come in, do extra training outside of what they're learning in their current classes, and work to become certified pipe welders or pipe fitters and work out on the job sites in these industrial markets there.
Hello, I'm Bob Richwine, District 14 Director, American Welding Society. I'd like to thank all the high schools and vocational centers for participating in this year's Midwest Team Welding Competition. Again, this is our 36th year. I'd like to thank the Indiana section. Without their help, this could have never happened. They are a great bunch of people. I'm a proud member of the Indiana section. Also like to thank all of our sponsors. We donated thousands of dollars worth of equipment, door prizes, and set up a nice show in the back for all the other students that's coming in the next couple of days. So thank you, and hope to see you all again next year.
Hi, I'm Dick Alley, past president of American Welding Society, 8990. Enjoying the new event, the 36th Mid-West Welding Conference here in Everett Light Stadium, so to speak. Beautiful facilities, classrooms, and all sorts of welding opportunities on the floor. And I'd just like to let you know that we've got a fantastic bunch of young men and ladies coming through here this week to better their skills and see how good they really are compared to the rest of the states around us, and some in the state and out of the state. And so this has been a sort of a growing effort. I believe there's something like over 200 kids coming for this Midwest conference this week. So it's been really coming along well. And thank God Everett Light has let us use their facility at no cost, and they've been a very nice host for this. It's been good to see things in AWS progress over the years. From the time I started as president until now, AWS is growing from just about 50,000 members to close to 62 or 3,000, someplace in that neighborhood. And then, in addition to that, the income has changed drastically, which is what we all strive for and look forward to. So things are on the up move for AWS. Maybe the country's not doing as well as we would like. It isn't, but nevertheless, American Welding Society is coming along very well, and we're trying to get ready when the country gets ready to boom, so we'll have more welders available to do the things that are needed, our infrastructure and all the other things that we do. So beyond that, welcome to the club, and hope to see you again next year.